Question first. A partner draw fixed amount at the end of each month from 1st April 2024. 6-month interest will be charged at the agreed rate of interest 3.5 month for the year ended 31st March 2021. False. A partner who devotes more time to a business that other is entitled to get salary even if the partnership is without partnership deed. False. If the partnership deed is silent, interest at 6% will be charged on the drawing made by the partner. A firm is started on 1st October 2020. At the partners draw fixed amount at the end of each month. Interest will be charged at the agreed rate of interest for 2.5 months for the year end 31st March 2020. 1, 2. An agreement is false. When a partner draws fixed amount for his personal use in the middle of each month for 12 months, interest will be charged at the agreed rate per annum on total amount of drawing for 6 months. True. Interest on loan by a partner to the firm is allowed at 10% per annum if the partnership deed does not exist or is silent about the rate of interest. Profit and loss appropriation account is prepared to show the distribution of net profit among the partners. True. Amrish, a partner, has taken loan from the firm without an agreement. The firm shall charge interest at 6% per annum from Amrish. इसका जाएगा false. When a partner draws a fixed amount for his personal use at the end of each month for 12 months, interest will be charged at the agreed rate per annum on total amount of drawing for 5.5 months. True. An agreement is essential to form a partnership. True. If the partnership deed does not exist or where it exists, it does not provide for interest on loan by the partner. Partners will get interest at 6% on the loan given by them to the firm. False. The partnership deed allows salary or commission to the partners. The firm incurs loss during the year. What has accumulated profit, salary or commission will be paid out of accumulated profit. A partner who has invested more capital in the firm will get interest on excess capital. False. Drawing against profit is considered to calculate interest on capital. False. Rent paid to a partner for use of his personal property for business is debited to profit and loss account. False. So true. Partnership is a business entity which is not separate from its partner in any circumstance. False. Partners are mutual agent of each other so far as the business of the firm is concerned. True. In the absence of partnership deed or agreement, profit and loss are shared equally by the partner. True. A partnership should have at least two partners, but the number of partners should not exceed 50. True. The partnership deed provides to pay salary or commission to partners at 2% on net sale. It will be paid even if the firm incurred loss. 5. False. Rent paid to a partner. True.